From the time of our life now to the time of inshaAllah witnessing that arrival, the only safety to reach those events is good character. 70,000 Muslim scholars will be taken off of this earth. By who? Whomever. Don't judge, this country is bad, this country is bad. Keep quiet because everything is under amr, the amr of Allah. Atiullah, ati Rasul wa ulul amri minkum. What's this country called? America. You think they got this without the hand of Allah in it? Allah's hand is on everything happening. Every izzah and might right now is under the hands of Allah, under the hand of Sayyidina Muhammad and under the hand of who's the ulul am on this earth, what we call the owner of the time, Sahib Zaman. That's why if you don't know what's happening, better stay quiet. But everything is according to God's will. If you want to survive to that time, stay quiet, have good character. They don't know why things are happening. Well, because the amr of Allah they're going to take precautions to make sure they are secure because great battles are coming and all fronts they're going to close off.